I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no jobs, had second hands. Moms bounced on old men. So then we moved to Shaolin Land. A young youth, we're rocking the
Hey YouTube, my name's Henny. This is my bike check. Got a new channel called HC Distrubutions. This is my first upload. Everyone subscribe, comment, like, whatever. I'm just gonna start from the top. Got the ADI long neck grips in black, pretty comfortable. Then we got demolition suburban bars. They're 30 wide and then 8.6 high. Got the demolition monarch stem, top load. Then we got the demolition concorde forks, really strong. Then we go to the frame, which is the volume mystery machine frame, really strong and light, best frame I've rid. Then we got the strictly fat seat. And then we go to eclat, plastic pedals, then stock United cranks, stock United sprocket, shadow conspiricy chain. It's pretty good and strong. Then we got the Colt dehart tyre, which is 2.25 bit size or something like that, I don't know, but it's pretty big and solid. Then we got the demolition rolls hub, which is really good. Then the green demolition zero rim. And then to the front wheel, we got the same front tyre, Colt dehart tyre. Then a demolition anorexia front hub. And then a demolition green zero rim. That's about it.